Imagine getting a 1 in NEET and not yet getting admission to AIIMS in Delhi. This time, NEET saw 67 toppers. It is said to be one of the most difficult exams to crack in India. Many people do not make it in spite of several attempts. But this year has proven to be quite different. Compare this to 2023 when only 2 students managed to score a perfect 720 to 720. But how did this happen? Many students have alleged malpractice, paper leaks, grace marks introduced by NTA at the last minute as a cause of huge concern.
720 नंबर पे कुछ 69 बच्चे होंगे जितनी एम्स दिल्ली में सीट नहीं है।
2 बच्चों के 718 और 719 मार्क्स आए हैं जो कि प्रैक्टिकली इम्पॉसिबल है।
सेम सीरीज रोल नंबर के बच्चे हैं, बच्चों के सरनेम नहीं है और ये AIR 1 और कॉन्जिक्यूटिव रैंक स्कोर कर रहे हैं एक ही सेंटर से। हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल?
67 toppers in NEET this time. It is said to be one of the most difficult exams to crack in India. Many people do not make it despite several attempts, but this year has proven to be quite different.
मैंने नीट एग्जाम को पास किया है, मेरे 720 में से 720 आया है।
मेरा भी यही सपना था कि अब एम्स दिल्ली में जाकर के इस देश के लिए मुझे सर्व करना है।
मैंने कोचिंग के अलावा 5 to 6 hours सेल्फ स्टडी को दिया था।
67 toppers. Compare this to 2023 when only 2 students managed to score a perfect 720 on 720. But how did this happen? Many students have alleged malpractice.
सामने आ रहा है कि ये वाले जो बच्चे हैं ये सेम सेंटर को बिलोंग करते हैं। लाइक एक सेंटर से इतनी सारी AIR 1, हाउ इज दिस पॉसिबल?
We have already witnessed a case of NEET aspirant dying by suicide in Kota.
भी फर्स्ट ईयर 12th के संग उसने दिया था, जिसका बहुत टाइम था, 17-18 साल की उम्र रही होगी और अच्छा कर सकती थी। पता नहीं क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ, मैं नहीं कह सकती।
Some students raise concerns about paper leaks. Even though NTA rubbished the reports of NEET paper leak, in Bihar 13 people were arrested for NEET UG paper leak case. And then there is chaos because of the introduction of grace marks in the last hour.
718 नंबर पहली बार नीट में आए हैं। कभी 718 नंबर हो ही नहीं सकते थे क्योंकि ये +4 -1 का एग्जाम है। 718 नंबर कोई मीनिंग नहीं। जस्टिफिकेशन ये आया है कि नॉर्मलाइजेशन लगाया है, कुछ बच्चों ने एग्जाम देर में शुरू किया था, तो 720 वाले ने अगर देर से शुरू किया था उसका 721 हो जाएगा क्या?
ग्रे एरिया में पता नहीं पड़ रहा कितने बच्चों को मिला, किस बेसिस पे मिला, ये पता नहीं पड़ रहा।
Let's break it down for you with some simple math. NEET exam consists of 180 questions. Students get 180 minutes to solve these questions. Each correct answer carries 4 marks and 1 mark is deducted for each wrong answer. Going by this, it is impossible for students to attain marks like 718 or 719 that has been witnessed this year around. So how was this made possible? In multiple exam centers, students complained of receiving their question papers wrong or OMR sheets late. This was witnessed in many centers like in Rajasthan, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Mumbai, Gujarat and Orissa. This means that they did not have the adequate time to finish one question in 1 minute. To make up for this, the NTA clarified that after receiving court cases from the candidates of NEET 2024, it adopted a normalization formula to address the loss of time. Going by what the physics wala said, grace marks have been given for the time lost. For instance, in Mankund, Maharashtra, where students complained of receiving the OMR sheets an hour late, they were given grace marks for 60 questions. So that comes down to 60 questions in 4 marks, which is 360 marks. And so such candidates scored 718 or 719. Now the NTA has clarified that of the 67 toppers, some benefited from the revised answer key, while a total of 1,563 candidates were compensated for the time lost.
650 नंबर नीट में बहुत नंबर हुआ करते थे एक जमाने में। आज 650 नंबर पे भी जो बच्चा आया है वो भी गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज में नहीं जा पाएगा।
Because of the whole chaos, many students are urging for a re-examination. And here's why the whole situation is really problematic. The medical entrance test offers over 1 lakh MBBS seats, of which around 50% are in government colleges. These are the most sought after colleges for their education quality and low fees. This time, around 23 lakh students appeared for NEET. But higher cutoff scores mean that even high achieving students may struggle to gain admission to premier medical colleges, causing feelings of unfairness and added stress.
पूरे के पूरे नंबर लाने के बाद भी आज बहुत से बच्चे एम्स दिल्ली नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे। तो एग्जाम का पैटर्न कुछ अजीब हो चुका है। 720 नंबर पे कुछ 69 बच्चे होंगे जितनी एम्स दिल्ली में सीट नहीं है। अब एक बच्चा 720 से ज़्यादा कितने नंबर ले आए कि उसको एम्स दिल्ली मिल जाए।